Tie a colorful ribbon around the neck of the jar. And pass the ends through the holes in the cardboard. Tie the jar to the cardboard and make a knot on the back side. All that is left to do is to attach the decoration to the wall. Suddenly, my friend comes and puts flowers into the jar. Oh, now that makes sense. It's a wall vase. It's for decorating the wall and turning the kitchen into a window garden. Splendid! While my friend is taking photos of her flower arrangement to post on Instagram, I will prepare flower decor too. I've got a soft flower pot. Cut a piece of used color fabric into more or less identical strips about 3 inches wide. Fold a part of strips into some layers to form packs and roll the rest of the strips. Take a plastic flower pot and hot glue a roll to the side of the pot. And attach the strip packs around it. Keep on decorating the pot, interchanging rolls and packs. I show my designed pot to my friend. No, it's not a hat. It's a home for my plants. My friend likes it. It looks like her Instagram page will soon turn into a flower exhibition. It may be any time of the year outside, but it is always spring in my room because butterflies have settled down here. Make 2 through holes in a glue bottle using an awl. Watch your fingers. Pull thick knitting yarn through the holes. It will be covered in glue when it comes out. Blow up a balloon and wrap the sticky knitting yarn randomly around it. Keep on wrapping until you're satisfied with the result. Cover a thick brush with some paper glue and apply it additionally onto the layer of yarn. Let it dry. Cut out printed butterfly silhouettes of different sizes, big and small. Make butterflies of different colors. When the glue is dry, prick the balloon and take it out. Hot glue the butterflies with wings folded upwards to the cocoon you've got. Tie a ribbon for fastening. These butterflies will look amazing on my ceiling lamp, only if I can reach it. I wish these paper butterflies could fly and sit on the lamp themselves. Meanwhile, I'll have to take a chair. Now the butterflies are holding up like they should. There is so much free space on the shelf. I should put something on it right now. I've got an idea. I happen to have an appropriate frame, bright and textured, and moreover, its shape is unusual. Prepare a few popsicle sticks or coffee stirrers. Measure the length that is a little bit shorter than that of the stick. Mark and draw an octagon, the side of which is equal to what we have measured. Lay out the sticks on the side of an octagon and hot glue them to each other. Hot glue several stick layers on top. We've got a 3D construction. Cover it with spray paint. The frame fits perfectly into the shelf, but I feel like something is missing. I need to put something inside. We'll let baby Groot live in it. Plastic spoons are good not only for a meal, they are also a great match for a mirror. I can make an excellent frame out of them. Draw a big circle on cardboard. Trace a round mirror inside of it. Cut out the outside circle. Draw a dashed line across the inner edge of the small circle. Cut out along the dashes. Paint the inside edge blue. Paint the rim of the frame in the same way. Cut off handles from plastic spoons. Cover the spoons with blue spray paint. Make a couple of shades, lighter and darker. Hot glue the spoons to the frame. Start with the inner circle. Firstly, attach the darker details. Attach the spoons to each other tightly. Then attach the lighter details. And the lightest shade goes along the edge. We've got a creative flower frame with an ombre effect. Hot glue the frame to the mirror. It looks as if the blue bird of happiness has brought this mirror. It's no wonder that I look so happy. I'm going to hang it on the wall and look at it each time before I go out to attract good luck. Did you like the ideas? Write in your comments which simple ideas you will use to decorate your house. Will you make a cotton rabbit, or will you start breeding paper butterflies? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss anything interesting on the Troom channel.